In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a Dhgate order that is stuck in pending delivery. If you've ordered something on Dhgate and the order hasn't arrived yet, but the status still says pending delivery, don't worry. In many cases, the package is still in transit, and you just need to confirm what's happening before taking the right action. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check the order status, verify the tracking, and decide whether you should extend the delivery time or open a dispute. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to your Dhgate account. Once you're signed in, navigate to your My Orders page. This is where you'll see a list of everything you've purchased, along with the current status of each order. Take a moment to find the specific order that is still showing pending delivery. This status usually means the order has been shipped, but the platform is still waiting for delivery to be completed or confirmed. After you've found the order, look for the package tracking number. It's usually listed within the order details or shipping section. Copy that tracking number carefully, then open a package tracking website such as 17track in a new tab, paste the tracking number into the search field, and check the live shipping updates. This step is important because Dhgate's order page may not always show the most current movement of the package, while a tracking site can often provide more detailed and up-to-date information. Now pay attention to what the tracking results tell you. If the package is clearly moving through the shipping network, even if it's delayed, that usually means it's still on the way. In that case, go back to Dhgate and click Extend Delivery Time. This gives the shipment more time to arrive and helps prevent the order from closing too early while the item is still in transit. It's a good option when the package is late, but there is still real tracking activity. On the other hand, if the delivery window has completely closed and the item still hasn't arrived, then it's time to click Open Dispute. This is the step to take when the buyer protection period is ending or has already ended, and you need to formally report that the item was not delivered in time. Be sure to rely on the tracking information you checked so you can make the right decision with confidence. That's the process for dealing with a Dhgate order stuck in pending delivery. Follow these steps carefully, check the live tracking before